Hello friends, good to see you back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn cross join. Here you can see the list of joins: inner join, left join, right join and cross join. And we learned inner join, left join and right join in our previous videos. In this video, I am going to cover cross join. Let's try to understand what is cross join meaning. Here you can see two tables, student table and city table. If we want to join these two tables without primary key and foreign key, then we can use cross join. Here you can see our first student name is add1. So cross join going to join all the cities with add1. It going to return 4 different row. Next it going to join Smith with every city name. And it's going to follow the similar step for Sophia and also Emma. It's going to make a combination. Here you can see we have total 4 students in our student table. And also you can see we have 4 city name in our city table. And if we join this table using cross join, it's going to return 16 different result. Means 16 different combination. And it's going to return result something like that. Here you can see for add1 it create 4 combination. First one is Delhi, then London, New York and Agra. Similarly, it's work with Smith. And this is the use case of cross join. It's not a very important join that we can use in our project. Basically we use inner join, left join and right join. So let's see the syntax. First you need to type select command and then you need to provide columns. Otherwise you can use star sign. Then from table 1 and then we need to type cross join and we need to provide our another table, table 2. And if we execute this command, it's going to return combined result of 2 tables. So let's see how we can use it practically. Here you can see I am back to my MySQL Workbench application. And also you can see I already create 2 tables, city and personal. Here you can see we have 4 records in our city table. And if I show you my personal table, you can see we have 5 records. And now I want to extract cross join from both of the tables. For this I am going to use cross join. So I am going to type select star from our table name. And our table name is personal. And I'm going to use cross join. And then we need to provide our second table, city. If I execute this command, here you can see we get lot of combination from both of the tables. The total result is 20 because we have 4 city in our city table. And we have 5 students in our personal table. That's why it creates 20 combination. We can get the same result without using cross join. For this, I'm going to copy this command. I move to another tab and I'm going to replace this command. Now I want to see the same result without using cross join. First, I'm going to remove this cross join keyword and I use just a comma. That's it. If I execute this command, here you can see the same result. It's written 20 combination. I hope now you can understand what is cross join. It's basically create 2 tables combination. It's not a very important join. Its use is very rare. Thanks for watching this video.